Question number 16 for the chapter sequence series, and we were doing the last lecture, the miscellaneous exercise. Today we'll start with question number 27. Read it very carefully. A farmer buys a used tractor for rupees 12,000, and out of them he pays 6,000 in cash, and the remaining he pays in balance annual installment of rupees 500 plus interest on the remaining amount, that is unpaid amount. You have to find how much the tractor cost him. So it means because he had paid 6,000 in advance and 500 installment per month, so it means he will pay 500 installment for 12 months, and plus 6,000 is already paid. So how you have to do this type of question? The interest paid on first installment will be on 6,000, that is P into R. R is here, R is given here as 12 into T upon 100. तो पहला इंस्टॉलमेंट जो कि अनपेड अमाउंट था उसने 720 रुपीज पे कर दिया. नाउ द इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन द सेकेंड इंस्टॉलमेंट पे आपका आउट ऑफ 6,000 ही हैज पेड 500, तो इट मीन्स the principal will be 5,500, rate is 12, and the interest on the second installment will be 660, and so on. The interest paid on the third installment will be on 5,000, that is 5,000 into R into T upon 100. It will be 600, and so on. And the interest paid on the 12th installment will be of unpaid amount will be 500 into R into T upon 100. It will be rupees 60. So the interest he paid as 720 plus 660 plus 600 up to 60, which is 12 terms, and it is an AP बना रहा है 12 टर्म्स का. तो यू फाइंड दिस अमाउंट. इट विल बी n by 2a, that is 720 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 60. So the amount he paid in interest will be equal to 4,680. ये उसने अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट में पेड करा. तो टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रैक्टर विल बी 6,000, तो उसने एडवांस में पे कर दिया था, 6,000 ने इंस्टॉलमेंट में पे करा, प्लस 4,680 उसने इंटरेस्ट का पे करा. सो इट्स कमिंग आउट टू बी 16,680 विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ट्रैक्टर. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. He has to pay the interest on each installment, the amount remaining. Because he has paid 500 rupees in the first installment, to the second installment he will pay the interest on 5,500. Because he paid 500 in the second installment, so we have to pay the interest on the remaining amount, which will be 6,000, and so on. The next question is just same as we have done this question number 27. Shamshad Ali buys a scooter for 22,000, 4,000 cash he pays, and balance in annual installment of 1,000. So 18,000 remaining he will pay in 18 installment of 1,000, and 1,000 goes on decreasing as we have done in this question number 27. So 28 you have to do yourself. Now in question number 29, which says that a person who write a letter of his friend to 4 of his friends. A person write a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each of them to copy the letter and mail to the different person with the condition that the instruction that they have to move the chain similarly. So assuming that the chain is not broken and it is up to the 8th set of letter is made, and the cost of one letter posting is 50 paisa. You have to find the total cost of mailing. So first of all, we'll calculate how many letters are posted. So letter posted will be how much? First of all, he posted, the first person posted 4. Now the next, the 4 person will post 4 letters each. So next letter number of letters will be 4 into 4. The next number of letter will be 4 into 4. 16 person are there and each of them posted 4. So 4 into 4 letters will be there, and similarly like this the next chain will be 4 into 4 into 4, and this you have to done up to 8th times, and the total will be S8 of GP, where A is R, where A is 4 and R is 4, 4 raised to power 8 minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is the total letters posted up to 8th set. They are coming out to be 87,380. This is a total letter posted, and the cost of postage with rupees 50 paisa per letter, and if you multiply with this you will get 43,690 rupees will cost of postage of these letters. So this is the question number 29. Now what is in question number 30? It is given that a man deposit 10,000 in a bank at a rate of 5% simple interest annually. 10,000 deposited, 5% simple interest. Find the amount in 15th year. 15वें साल में कितना amount होगा, and also you have to find the total amount after 20 years. पहले बार में आपको term पता करना है, next में आपको total means sum पता करना है. So amount at the end of first year, 31st. Sorry, 30. So amount at the end of first year, amount after 1 year. Amount का फॉर्मूला होता है principal, which is 10,000 plus rate of interest P into R into T upon 100. तो ये सॉल्व करने पर आ रहा है 10,500. Second amount after या at the end of 2 years it will be, क्योंकि simple interest है, principal plus rate, this is 5 into 2 upon 100, 2 साल का interest. Amount at the end of 2 years it will be 11,000. 10,000 पे 2 साल का interest, and the amount at the end of 3 years will be principal plus P into R into T upon 100. 3 साल का इंटरेस्ट, ये आ जाएगा आपका 11,500, क्योंकि सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है तो सेम रेट से इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो लाइक दिस you have to find the amount at the end of in the 15th year will be amount at the end of 14 years is equal to 14th term, that is A क्या है यहाँ पर, A plus 3D. So what is the first term? The first term is 10,500 and the common difference is 500. So the amount at the end of this is 17,000. 15 साल का जो amount है वो 17,000 है. Now you have to find the amount at the end of 20 years. Amount at the end of 20 years. It will be T20, that is A plus 19D, and you replace the values, you will get 20,000. 20,000 रुपये आएगा. So this is the total amount he will get after 15 year and 20 years. Question number 30 it is. Okay, read the question number. This is 14 year. Correct it here. It will be 14, that is 13 and 13, like this. Do the correction. It is 14, तो 14th term आपको पता करना है. Now in the 31st question, read it. What it says in the 31st question? It says that a manufacturer reckons that the value of the machine, which cost 15,625, depreciate each year by 20%. You have to find the estimate value at the end of 5 years. The depreciation is given and you have to find the value after 5th year. So the cost of it at the end of 1 year, एक साल के बाद कितनी वैल्यू रह जाएगी? It will be principal 1 minus rate upon 100. एक साल के बाद इसकी ये वैल्यू रह जाएगी. It will principal is 15,625. Rate is 20% upon 100. So this is coming out to be 15625 4 upon 5. ये इसका amount रह जाएगा. That is 0.80. And similarly, the cost of at the end of second year will be principal, that is 15625 1 minus 20 upon 100 की power 2. So it is coming out to be 15625 and 4 upon 5 का square, and so on and so on. So cost at the end of 5th year will be 15625 4 upon 5 की power 5, like this. एक साल के बाद 1 power है, after 2 years 2 power. So similarly after 5th year it will be the power 5, and when you simplify it, it will be equal to 5120 rupees. ये आपका हो जाएगा. So simple एक GP बन रहा है. Now the last question of this exercise, miscellaneous exercise, or rather the chapter of this sequence and series, which is a very long question. It is given that, read it carefully, 150 workers were engaged to finish a job in a certain number of days. 150 workers हमने engage करे थे, some work to be done. If 4 workers are dropped out on second day, 4 more on the third day, and so on, it take 8 more days to complete the work. If it is 150 workers are there and the work is done in certain number of days and 4 workers are dropped each day, it will take 8 more days to complete the work. So you have to find the number of days in which the work was completed. So let, in this question number 32, let work completed in n days. n days में work complete हो रहा था. तो number of work required, so number of work days for one worker will be 150 into n. अगर एक वर्कर रखेंगे, 150 दिन में वर्कर्स वर्क कर रहे थे, तो 1 वर्कर विल डू इन 150 डेज. जब भी हम कोई वर्क करते हैं तो 1 डे वर्क निकाल के इस तरह से करते हैं. नाउ सेकंड केस क्या है? इट इज़ अगर हम 4 वर्कर्स कम करते जाएं, पहले दिन 150 वर्कर्स थे, नेक्स्ट में 160 वर्कर्स हो गए, नेक्स्ट डे में 142 वर्कर्स हो गए, एंड सो ऑन अप टू n+8 टाइम्स. अब उसे लगेगा 8 दिन, एंड द वर्क डन विल बी 150n. अगर 4 वर्कर कम हो जाए तो इतना ही वर्क होगा जितना एक वर्कर n डेज में करेगा, और ये 4 वर्कर्स कम होते चले आ रहे हैं, तो इसमें n+8 डेज आएगा, 8 डेज एक्स्ट्रा. नाउ दिस इज एन AP. ये आपका AP है, जिसकी फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स है n+8, 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is -4, and it is equal to 150. And so when you simplify it, you will get the value of n as 17. So the work completed in 17 days. तो हमने स्टार्टिंग में लेट कर लिया कि n डेज में वर्क होना था, बट व्हेन द कंडीशन दैट द 4 वर्कर्स आर ड्रॉपिंग 1 by 1 इन ए डे, then it will take 8 more days. So it means when the work was being completed in n days, if in this condition the work will take n plus 8 days, which is equal to this work. The work will remain the same. And in the left hand side, we are getting arithmetic progression with the first term as 150 and the common difference is minus 4. Okay, this is a completion of your secant series. Thank you.